Hi, it's March 4th, 2023. I'm Todd Dunn, and today is day 4 post-surgery for total knee replacement on my right knee. As you can see, I'm moving around, not perfectly, but reasonably well. So, what happened today? Well, a couple changes. This morning, I was able to dress myself. That was nice. I could actually, do everything except my right sock. Just can't bend that knee quite far enough to get the right sock on. But other than that, it's nice to have that independence. And as you saw, I just came up the spiral staircase, so that wasn't an issue either. Other than that, I've just been kind of sitting, reading, and doing my exercises. It's about 2 o'clock now. I've done 2 sets, and I will do 2 more sets today. Plus one other thing that I'm going to show you in just a minute. As you might guess from this view out the bedroom window, I decided to stay inside today. We've had about 8 inches of new snow, and although I can walk around, I don't really think I want to try walking in the snow today. So, I'm staying inside. So what am I doing that's new today? Now, this is the other thing I'm doing today. Yep, I'm on the stationary bike. Now this bike isn't very adjustable, and I can't raise the seat enough to go all the way around yet, but by going backwards, I can bend my knee and stretch it, and go the other way, and bend it the other way. And I have not spending a lot of time on this, only about 30 seconds to a minute. Doing a stretch. And doing the other stretch. Doing this stretch. I'm pretty close to being able to go all the way around. Backwards. I'm not anywhere near going forward. But, it's a nice way to stretch my knee and get it going. And it's a new exercise for today. Okay. Let me put this back where my wife wants it. Okay, so that's day 4 post-surgery. As you can see, I'm walking around. I'm not, super spry, but things are working. And this stationary bike is a good way to exercise my leg in a very benign and controlled fashion. It seems to work pretty well. I got the idea from a YouTube video put out by a San Diego orthopedic surgeon who says he recommends that his patients get on the bike as soon as they can. So I figure day 4 post-surgery, that's waiting long enough. I was a little careful the first time I did it, but I can do it. I don't feel unstable. And it does stretch my leg pretty well though, which is what I want to do to extend the bend in my knee. I am at 100% straightening, so that isn't an issue. I just got to work on getting that knee to bend. And boy, it does not like to go a lot past 90 degrees at this point. But I'm hoping, by the time I go back to see my orthopedic surgeon on the 13th of March, that I will be able to go all the way around on the bike, and that things will be going a lot better. Okay, that's all there is to say today. It's been a pretty blah day. Decided not to go cross-country skiing, even though the snow looks pretty good. Uh, so just staying home and doing my stationary exercises and riding the bike. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick little update here on March 4th, 2023, on the fourth day after my total knee replacement of my right knee.